This is a tie rod, this is a drag link, this is a track bar, and these are ball joints, and we're gonna install them. No, but all seriousness, guys, this is Kryptonite's new full steering kit and ball joints that we're gonna be putting on this 2016 Super Duty. As you guys have seen in our previous videos, we've done a lot with Kryptonite and doing it, but it's only been on Duramaxes. So fairly recently, they released these products, and I mean, this is just like some beefy steering. Look at it, in fact, like, we took the factory stuff. I mean, it's not even in comparison to the girth of this big black piece of pipe. So, we get these installed, and the process is the same as if you were doing OEM. So we'll get that going, and yeah, that's about all I gotta say about that. Alright guys, so as you've seen, we've been kind of doing a full maintenance job on this truck. It's a 2015 Ford F350 crew cab long bed. We did a 6-inch BDS kit on it a little bit ago, and now we're just kind of dialing in the whole front suspension. So we did all new products, the Kryptonite ball joints, Kryptonite track bar ball joint, Kryptonite track bar, Kryptonite tie rods, Kryptonite drag link. So this thing's going to be like fully dialed in like a brand new truck. I think we did talk about it earlier, but I mean, you know, getting it out and just seeing like how beefy this steering is, it's pretty crazy. How'd it ride driving up there? Well, not too bad. Got a little bit of a tight ball joint memory steer thing. So I was gonna just double check. We'll take it down the highway, make sure that the steering wheel's straight. Take it back to the shop and then see if we need to program these TPMS sensors as well. But the truck doesn't rub. Doing some off-roading right now. We talked about it a little bit in the last video, and we are going to leave it a little bit of a secret. So the only way you guys are going to find out is if you subscribe and keep watching our channel as we put out more content. However, this is going to be our craziest, biggest build. We have to find a way to fit this giant old tire on this truck. You know how we're going to have to do that? That's going to be a big old lift kit. We're kind of getting the prep of the build started. So we got the wheel liners out, we're getting the drive shafts out, we got to get the gearbox out, and we got to ship that all the way down to a state that's undisclosed. And yeah, just going to keep freaking rolling with this project. We're super stoked about it. First time doing this build, first day of the build, first day of the teardown. So let's get into it and start getting this thing torn apart and the prep of this build started. The next video that we honestly probably release, we will be explaining everything Once the kit gets delivered, we'll do like a whole day of just unboxing it and talking about all the parts. But we got ourselves a long build ahead and 200 pages of instructions. Alright guys, so we got the suspension in the air, truck's jacked up. We removed the wheel liners on both sides. First thing that we have to do is remove the gearbox. So right now, I'm just going to start working on that. We got a 10 millimeter to take out our steering shaft. We also hooked up the steering shaft so it doesn't move and break the clock spring. Get the 2 lines off of here and disconnect this. We're also going to take the track bar bracket off and the pitman arm and kind of just get everything torn apart, and should be a happy time. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're going to be putting a 3-inch lift kit on this truck and fitting that tire on it. But seriously, if you want to know what lift kit is going on this truck, you got to subscribe. The next video, I think, we should be releasing exactly what we're doing to this truck. It's going to be 3 plus 10 plus 4. Is how big the lift kit is. So it's quite big, that's what she said. But anyways, yeah, so smash that subscribe button, put the notifications on. We're hoping to release this next video probably a week after this video gets released, or so, depending on, we don't even have the lift kit, it hasn't shipped, which is slightly a problem. So anyways, we'll just be dealing with logistics like we normally do. Still don't have the wheels, typical problem. And that's about it. See you guys.